Shapho fethu kunjani igama uRemington umfoka Swela Mswati lo mnanzi, and this is Remington Unfiltered. Shit manje bafethu, I want to touch kule ndaba le because I see everybody's talking about it, everybody nama opinion wakhe, everybody's saying whatever they want to say. So now I want to say whatever I can say unfiltered. So bafethu, I want to speak about what happened between Piano Pals and Urizin, Usizwe. So for those who don't know, Piano Pulse is a podcast under a network, a podcast and chill. And the no residence yamazo sile alakai numfano shai number. Shoot manje bafethu, just to give context before I actually even state my own views. Shoot kanje yabo. So I think not even I think I've seen it. So what I've seen was Piano Pulse had an episode where they were talking about being popular and mhlambe umuntu othandana naye naye popular, and then bayibiza ngokuthi downgrade. Mabasho bathi downgrade because now you're dating a particular person, without mentioning amagama abantu at this moment. So that was that, and then by comments it was fun and all that for them. They were happy, just to be more specific now, because Urizin udate what data Ulut Love, and then currently data no Chijila Main, So these guys, they take it as a downgrade for Umchit, Wang Tol. Party they don't have facts with why they saying it's a downgrade. Ubano approval my downgrade. It downgrade to Uban, So what happened? Caesar came with Piano Pals while they were recording what's okay. They need to talk data about him in his presence. Yeah, Bavele Zakala again. So now here's my view into this. I don't want to rush it, I don't want to rush it. I just want to take it back a little bit. If we are being honest, and we've seen how Caesar roles or reason roles, he break up Galut Love, it could have hit him hard, but it's my opinion. It could have hit him hard, and for me, I respect how he responded during that time, because my mshaya le break up mjit. Akazange atatazela, I think he had to step back a little bit, even now music, because he was doing hip hop full time that time. And if it's into Zipad, life in, sometimes you have to and figure things out on your own, I don't say Urizin wins the Ranjalo part. What I've seen, that guy was on a low. I guess I'm not one and love, and then champion. What Russia is using, get into that. What relaxer. And then after that, he started making a sound of a piano, and still abantu bakhuluma, hey, this guy hip hop with the except of it, we all have bills to pay, and at that time Reason was having it hard. Nobody was on Reason's side, say but where's Reason? Hey, nobody was helping that guy. That guy have kids, baba. He needs to be a father figure now, only guy. So people were forgetting all that good reason will be happy. They saying he changed sound. He changed sound. Fine, let's say he changed sound to make money. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? He changed sound to make money. But because people they saw he's booming, and then they started saying he's a sellout, he's sold out SA hip hop. I could have felt the same way. Back then, hip hop. But I understand the situation here. Man to man as a guy, I understand why Ganje. Why mhlambe end up ngathi ushintshe my sound or whatever, But as still nothing wrong. Samchita ugrant after some time, we say a data fine, no chijila main, we say a data, and then these Piano Pulse guys, they go to their platform to say this guy actually what he did was a downgrade. Yo, what a disrespect, Bafethu. Disrespect, like. Disrespect, Bafethu. Yazi ukuthi inhliziyo ayinamehlo, Bafethu. Urizini had the right, for me to come ukuthi mhlambe azonisa lapho. Actually, ngiyamsalute nokuthi akangishayanga futhi njalo nje. Because it disrespects the idea. You cannot speak bad about somebody else's women, Baba. uyamthanda lo muntu wena uzokhuluma amasimba nje. You know, it's not right, bafethu. It's not right. Hence ngiyam-understand u-Reason makathi, okay, you guys, you nema-platform nika i-public ama-views wenu. But to speak that bad, that was very low, guys. You know, was very low. I-relationship ya-Reason no-Gigi, what does it have to do with pianos? Hlanganaphi, ngenaphi? So for me, what Reason did, I salute him for that. I salute him, and I'm glad ukuthi it didn't fight, you know. And in the space, I'm glad to manage to apologize. And then this other guy, like Reason said, you must stop just justifying shit, you know. Yes, you don't need to justify, you know. You don't need to justify. Because even myself, my woman, she's fine for me, you know. She's a 10 for me. But somebody else will looking at my woman and see a 2. And then I look at somebody else's woman, I see a 0. You know, those things happen. Those things happen, but you don't tell people that they downgraded or what. That was wrong. For me, Reason was not wrong. Those guys needed just good baba check and yabo. Would say baba inenzani yabo. I could see him in no space ukuthi hayi ubonile ukuthi umesaphile neGrotmani ke udlala le ntwana le yabo. Khuluma izinto out of hype abafethu. It won't work baba. Reason Grotmani yakamine. Ngiyasaluta. Even now somebody mangakhuluma bad ngithekeni yami ne. Khuluma bad ngethekeni yami. I won't allow you just uzenzele ngathi kwakho. No. Isongeso bafethu. Reason beka grant bafethu. I don't know, guys, but again, nani, you have a right to state your views, your comments. If you were Reason, ubuzo wenza kanjani. Because I saw a tweet as well. I saw this tweet, somebody say it was low for Reason to go there. This boy won for him to go. No. Ezinye izinto ngani nilwa lani, you know la. Sometimes ezinye izinto umuntu kumele afike 99. I saw empty athi nizoyeka ukukhuluma amasimba ngathi. No, bafethu, i-Remington Unfiltered, comment down below size ukuthi nithini. Like, subscribe and share with your friends. I'm out of here. Raga.